vengeance. If you stay alive till time expires, you've secured redeployment. The more points you earn, the faster that clock's gonna tick. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your TAC map. Get hunting. Kill confirmed, and we located the rest of them. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your TAC map. Go get hunting. Kill confirmed. We located the rest of them. Gas is moving.
Our mosquitoes online.
Enemies dropping into the AO. Target down. Marking the rest of them. Friendly loadout drops on the way. Marked remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Enemy destroyed. Use your attack map to hunt down the rest of them. We're detecting vulnerability in the enemy's network. Locate their uplink stations to secure their intel before they go offline. Yep.
friend.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Not to turn your laser sight on. Might not see me the rest of the match.
You got gas moving in.
Only plates I care about have food on them.
Target down. Marking the rest of them. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Perfect shot.
Requesting recon flyover.
Copy. UAV is on station. Recon online.
You made the top 25. Well done. The enemy resecured their network. It's over. Rider sales active. Buy station prices are adjusted.
Holy meow.
Good kill. One of the rest of that squad on your attack map. Go get them. Enemies dropping into the AO.
That armor looks pretty claw on you. Finish him off.
Resurgence is about to end. Make it count. Fire sales done. Enemy soldier incoming. Gas is closing in. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your attack map. Get hunting. Resurging. Go get your revenge. Enemies dropping into the AO.
I help you win, and you give me tummy rubs for an hour. Better be something in there.
Resurgence has closed. No more second chances. 25 remained.
That's not to turn
They hit us hard that time. Let's regroup and get back up there, yep?